It's Friday night and the feeling is right. Let me turn on this now. Also, it's a fine Friday. Taking a stroll with the boys.
Right here, let me show them some of the cool moves. Right here. Right here, Mom, let me show them the cool
Nature is just beautiful, isn't it?
Where's the park, huh?
Sometimes we just gotta stop, take a moment for ourselves. And it's so funny, you would realize how busy you were and be like, my gosh, I needed this. Oh yeah. Beautiful ambience, beautiful scenery. Look at the bunny rabbit. Did you see him? Look, if you look really good, you'll see him. We're getting closer. Actually, there are two. You see those bunny rabbits? Yes, like they're eating grass. Beautiful Friday evening. Hi, Skang. What's going on in the ATL? How are you doing? We're just enjoying the serenity, the ambience, the whole scenery, nature, Mother Nature. Look at those two bunny rabbits. They're not afraid, actually. You know, like I said, sometimes we just have to take a moment out of our schedule for ourselves just to exhale.
A close pick.
Oh, right there. He's not afraid. He's friendly, huh? Look at him.
Malachi, back up.
Back up, baby. Let's go. Because this one is not afraid. Look at him.
I like to pet him.
Oh, there's three, actually.
Actually, yeah. There's another one.
Yeah.
And there's another one.
I guess bunnies are not really
And
that.
there's another one.
Oh, that one.
Oh my God, they kept on running away from me.
Yeah.
I guess the other one was bold.
It was bold enough, right?
Yeah.
Nice scenery. Very quiet. All you hear is nature. You hear the crickets, all different kinds of sounds. Just awesome. There's another one. There's another one right there.
There's another one.
Uh-huh.
Pass me the ball.
Don't touch him. They're not afraid. They're bold, huh?
I want to pet him.
Huh?
I want to pet him.
No. Don't touch him.
Oh, I like petting animals.
Well, he's not a pet. Look at him.
Oh my God.
Did you see
Let's go. Come on. We don't know what's in the bushes. Let's go.
Let's go.
In front of me, guys.
Powerhouse.
As you can see, it's just us. Everybody else is gone. Sometimes, you know, just gotta get away from the crowd. Get away from the bottom. Be at the top or something. Hey.
Alligator, snakes, wildlife may be in the area.
Okay, that's it. Come on. No, do not go near the shrubs. You hear? They said alligators, snakes, we never know. So we have to be careful. There's another one right there. Come, let's go. Are you ready to go home? Are you ready to go home?
He's cute.
Yes, he is cute. Let's go in front of me.
He's cute though.
Open your eyes. Look where you're going.
I am.
All right.
Oh.
Panoramic view.
Mom, we're gonna
All
have
right,
to turn
guys.
back.
I just wanted to share my scenery. And that's it for today. I hope you're having a great day. It's the end of the week for most people, so enjoy your weekend. I'll see you later.
Mom,
Woohoo!
you don't have to, wait, are you off?
All right, guys. Bye for now.
Bye.
Hold on there.
What's going on?
I owe this no sabi name pouchy. I must pouchy this. Then hold on, that name here not seem familiar. Who this?
Wait, right here.
This no look. No man, pouchy have one FBI page. She's got an FBI page.
Wait, hold on. Let's show them our moves.
Yeah, guys, we're in the wild. We have to be careful.
We're at the wild west.
But it's just a nice, like I said, it's past sunset. The sun is already set, right? And we're just strolling. Peace of mind,
Turn back.
enjoying
There's a yellow
nature,
thing over
walking, talking to you. Okay? I'm doing fine. Let's go, Malachi. Come, don't stay behind me. I
there.
gotta
Then
watch
turn
you.
back when we get to the bridge because there's a yellow bar that says don't cross.
There's a bar at the bridge.
Yeah. At the end of the bridge.
What, they close it?
Yeah, they closed the bridge because it's not.
Okay. See all the wildlife shrubs. Don't walk near the edge. Just be careful.
Which edge?
It's like we're in the woodlands. My gosh. Yeah. Wildlife. You hear all the sounds, the all different kinds of sounds.
Malachi. I'm going to be the referee in soccer.
Okay, we're not going on the bridge because the bridge looks like it's closed. Come.
Yeah, at the end right here.
Come, baby.
How can we get on the bridge?
We're not getting on there. I'm not getting on there.
Me neither. Right here, pass.
All right.
We will go in the water and stay.
All right, let's go because all the pure water in there. Come, it's nighttime now. It's capable for anything. Come on, get in front of me. Take the ball up. You hear those sounds, guys? Like crickets and all kinds of sounds.
I was giving him the ball.
Mm-hmm.
Stop throwing the ball like that.
All right, I just wanted to share my view, giving you a panoramic view. Yeah. No man. I who this know me as Pouchy again? No man. No man. Them people here will know me as Pouchy. Well, I'm gonna get to a little bit. Alright? Me go down in a pot a little bit. And who knows my name Pouchy? Must be somebody familiar. No familiar spirit around here, you know. Don't kick that ball. It's not a football. Somebody knows my name, Pouchy. Who that? Are this not the same person? But anyways, it's somewhere in the wild. Somewhere in the wild. It's dusk. Almost nighttime. So we're just heading back because they closed the bridge on us. Yeah. Willow tree. Anybody remember willow tree? Look, willow tree. Oh gosh. You see here the willow trees whistle. Woo! Woo! Anybody used to remember that when we used to go primary school? Country people, all the country people them from Dongabala. Yeah, willow trees. Wow. Back to basics. Back to them times there. Memories. Yeah. Wildlife. My God is amazing. I know He will deliver
Can we bring the bottle?
What bottle? Here, are you thirsty?
No.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Is it in the car?
Me no know.
Come, let's go get the bathroom over over there. Come. Anyway, guys, it is getting dark. It's getting dark in here, so we have to go. All right, there's another bunny. I don't know if you guys can see. All who don't know rabbit, there's a rabbit. He's hopping around. He's not even in front. Look. He's so tamed. Look at that.
He's eating some grass. Look.
Yes, I'm from Balaclava. Well, I wasn't born there, but I was raised there. I went to school there. Come from out the shrubs. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, let's go. Look, there's another one way out there. There's so many rabbits around the place. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yes, whoever is that calling me Pochi, I don't know how you know that name, but that's an in-house name. Yes, I'm from Balaclava. That means to say you don't know me well then. I know. But anyways, yes, I'm from Balaclava. I was raised there. Wait for us.
Hey, Mr. Speed.
Wait for us, sir. Alright guys, so how many times am I gonna say bye?
Bye.
See morning star come out already. Anybody can see it?
Oh, I see you.
Whose eyes are that great? Morning star is already out. Yeah. Have yourselves a wonderful weekend.
Oh, wonderful.
Get some rest.
Get some rest.
And don't forget to involve God if you believe in Him, the Creator, the Almighty, the one who created you, to spend some time with Him, all right? Peace out.
Peace.
Love and love.